part of the city. Simran, my colleague, is now standing by. She's in Patparganj. Simran, what's happening around you?
Well, absolutely. In fact, as you mentioned, that there is some quiet environment in the parts of the national capital. And right now, from where I'm coming, it's a Trilokpuri seat, ward number 22, where in fact the voting has begun. And if we compare it to other parts of the national capital, this seat is still bustling with a few voters that are coming up early morning and in groups, in fact, to cast their vote. And right now, as the police has also started checking the people who are coming and their documents, the election management committees are here and voters are coming up here. As you can see, there are lines of people who are queuing up to cast their vote. And let me also go across to some of the voters. आपने वोट डाल दिया? आज सुबह मतदान शुरू हो गया है?
हो गया है।
वोट डाल दिया है?
हाँ, वोट डाल
दिल्ली के सुधार के लिए, दिल्ली के वेलफेयर के लिए किन मुद्दों पे वोट डाला गया?
सुधार के लिए डाला है।
आम आदमी पार्टी सुधार के लिए ही 10 साल से दिल्ली में थी।
Okay, yeah, Simran, let's get as many people as you can. Okay, otherwise we'll only do one at a time, and this will take some time because as many people gives us a perspective. So let's go to as many people as you can, and of course there's no point leading on the voter. Just ask them what the issue is and what they're voting for, not who they're voting for. That's their business, and we'll find that out in some time from now. Uday, it's pretty quiet where you're standing, but what's the buzz really been around? It seems to have been a quiet